So, you're wondering whether to dive into JavaScript or Python in 2024? Well, mate, here's the scoop. If you're keen on web development and interactive websites, JavaScript is your go-to. But if data analysis and machine learning tickle your fancy, Python's the way to go. Both are versatile and in demand, so why not learn both? Double the skills, double the opportunities. So, grab your kangaroo by the tail and jump into the world of coding. Thinking about job opportunities in JavaScript in 2024? Well, let me tell you, the demand for JavaScript developers is soaring higher than a kangaroo on a hot day. With its versatility and widespread use, mastering JavaScript can open doors to a world of exciting career prospects. From web development to app creation, the possibilities are as vast as the outback. So, saddle up and start honing those coding skills because the future is bright for JavaScript enthusiasts down under. About job opportunities in Python in 2024. Well, let me tell why the future looks bright. With Python's versatility and demand across industries like tech, finance, and even healthcare, mastering this language can open doors to exciting roles like data scientist, software developer, or AI engineer. So, sharpen those coding skills, stay updated with the latest trends, and get ready to ride the Python wave to a promising career down under.